Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from a brokerage account after selling stocks step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your brokerage account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Locate the section for your portfolio or account balances. Confirm that your stock sale has been processed and the funds are available in your cash balance. Click on the option for transfers or withdrawals, typically found in the menu. Select the option to withdraw funds from your account. Choose the withdrawal method that suits you best, such as a bank transfer or check. If you select bank transfer, you may need to enter your bank account information if it's not already saved. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw from your brokerage account. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal method you chose. Double-check all entered information to ensure accuracy. Read and agree to any terms and conditions presented for the withdrawal. Submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted. Keep an eye on your email or account notifications for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. Allow a few business days for processing, depending on your brokerage policies. Finally, monitor your bank account to confirm that the funds have been transferred successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.